This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barbara Safely. Chic Urban Contemporary Elegance-LAS OLAS Waterfront Southeast Corner E&D Unit Townhome at Seaside Villas. One-of-a-kind impeccably maintained. Click virtual tour for 3D floor plan features. Private 60 double-sided dock, rooftop deck, west bar, lounging area, TVs and 12-person pool spa perfect for entertaining and enjoying sunset views. Stunning Mocha hardwood and Crema Marfil Marble flooring, LED and contemporary light fixtures, custom cabinets, west quartz countertops, stainless APPLS, 4-person elevator, wireless Sound Sys Inside&Out, TVs, 2 laundry rooms. Balconies on every level. Impact windows and doors, floor-ceiling windows that captivate waterfront views, security system, gated entrance, west/2 car garage and adult 3 parking spots. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Safely at 786-325-2225.